It is a parasite. The rest of its body lies within the tissues of a liana on which it feeds. After about 5 years, the bud finally opens into a monstrous flower. It now has only a day or so in which to be pollinated before it starts to wither. Its petals are the colour of blood. Their surface is tough and warty. It appears to have fur, even whiskers and teeth. At first sight, it might be mistaken for a dead animal. This is Rafflesia, the corpse flower. 1 metre across, it's the world's biggest flower. And this one is a male. From its centre comes the pungent odour of death.